Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvashi. So today, as you know by the title, that I am going to share my Nykaa haul with you all. So one thing I would like to state here that this video is not to intimidate anyone in any manner, and also it is also not to show off anything. These are all the products that I bought during Nykaa's summer sale, and there were really good sale prices were on few products and also on high-end products, so I thought this is the right time to buy them. And also I invested in some of the good products that I would need in my upcoming to create more nice tutorials and also for my personal use also. So this haul is a mix of makeup and skincare. So if you are interested in knowing what all I got, so please continue watching. So first of all, let me show you the dabbas that I got. Almost, actually, this is the one dabba that I got. Then this is the another dabba that I got. Obviously, I have used many of the products in this tutorial to create this look, and also some of the products I have used as soon as I received them because I was too much excited to try them on. And the another dabba is down below. Let me pick that up. So this is also a dabba that I got. Okay, let's start with the haul. So I'm going to show you the products that are not in any particular order. I will show you whatever I will pick up in my hand randomly. So let's start with this product. So this is Colorbar's Blend Etude Beauty Sponge that I have used in my previous tutorial. If you have seen that spring makeup look, then in that video I have used this sponge to create my makeup look. So this is a nice blender if you wanted to invest in any kind of any kind of beauty sponge and you are a beginner, then this is a really nice sponge to go for because it costs only 200 and also the quality is top notch. So yeah, this one is the one product. I got this foil pigments from Swiss Beauty. So I got these in 5 shades because Nykaa was having some sale and I dropped it. Nothing new in that. Saying that I got these shades, these foil pigments from Swiss Beauty from Nykaa. I got it around 100 and 117 each. So originally it all cost around 150, I think. Let me check first. Yeah, originally it retails for 149, but I got it around 117 only. So I thought to pick up few shades so that I could use it to create some shimmery eyes for wedding season or some different tutorials. So yeah, that is the one thing that I got. Next up, I got this brown contour shade from Sugar Cosmetic. You can see the color. So this is a cool tone contour shade that is, and the name is Top Topper. I got this because I thought it would be a nice shade to contour below the jawline, and all you need cool tone shade. The warm ones are nice for the face bronzing, but for contour and to create actual shadows you need the cool tone one. So I got this one. This one actually retails for 349, I guess. Yes, but I got it for cheaper, I think. So yeah, the next is again from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is their face palette that is really popular these days. So my shade is Subtle Summit. In this you can see the shades. These are really nice shades. They have 2 more variants in this one, but I thought I should go for this because in this one I got this rosy blush shade that I don't think I owned before. And another thing is the highlighter. This is also nice, and again the bronzer is really warm tone bronzer, so it is really nice for bronzing your face. So let me just swatch it for you so that you get an idea how the Vivid Victory palette look like. This is the highlighter, and this is the blush. So I hope you can see this. So if you wanted to see this palette in action, then please refer to my spring makeup look. In that makeup look I used only this palette to create that look. So next up I got this bronzer sponge that I thought to use today, but I did not use it because I used another sponge that I got newly from Nykaa again. This one is from ELF and this one is Camo Concealer Sponge by ELF. And you guys, I'm not kidding when I say this is like butter. You can see, obviously I have dampened it to use today, so you can see you can totally compare between both. ELF one is getting so tiny after squeezing, and this one is also soft but not that good. So this one is really good if you want a new sponge for your daily use. Again, this retails for $560, but I got it around $390 something. So it was a great deal. I thought I should stock it up. So I am really proud about my purchase on this one. Okay, the next one is this one. This is Plum's Illuminance. This is Plum's Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So it looks like this, and it has some, message on the card. Then this is the bigger size I got for I think 420 or something, and it retails for 545. So you can see I have not yet unpackaged it or not yet used it, so I am going to use it today to remove this makeup. So if possible I will try to record that and will upload it if possible. Then I'll share you my review on this, or I'll share the review on my Insta. So for that, stay connected and follow me on Insta. So again from Plum I got this. This is mask and green tea face mist combo pair. So there was some offer going on Plum that if you will shop for something, then you are going to get this free. So in this one you get this green tea mist that I already had, and I am almost over with this one because I had been using this since I think 4 or 5 months regularly. Also I do not use any setting sprays because most of the setting sprays contains alcohol, and I do not want to apply alcohol on my face because I'm already dry skin type, so alcohol tend to make my face more drier. So I like to use this one to set my face, also to prep my face. So this is the green tea one, and if you are suffering from acne prone skin, please go ahead with this green tea range of Plum because it is really nice. Let's see how the mask looks like. What is this? Maggie. Okay. So you receive this Plum's green tea face mask that I haven't used yet. I will update you after using it, so stay connected. Another thing I got it from Plum is this one because I already had been using this one, so I wanted to try this one, and it is in the variant grapeseed and sea bagathon. Okay, the one thing to note that this one contains glycolic acid, and I think this one contains salicylic acid. This one contains niacinamide, so I really like niacinamide. I have used a 1 full bottle of Mamaearth's Skin Correct Serum that is actually vitamin B3, that is niacinamide. So I thought to use this one also. I think I would like it. So next up I'm going to use this one instead of the green tea one. So yeah. And again I got it for some off, and this actually retails for $350 I think. Yeah, $360. It actually retails for $360, but I got it for $288. So if you are talking about Mamaearth, let's cover this one. So I got this full size aloe vera gel jar from Mamaearth, and it was for free because there was some offer going on Mamaearth that if you shop for something amount, then you are going to get this aloe vera gel free. So I got this one free, and actually I bought this sunscreen from Mamaearth. This is the Ultra Light sunscreen, and this one is not in the gel form, this one is in the cream form because I am a dry skin type, so I really like to use the cream form one. and it has SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus. So this one I have already tried and tested. I have already finished 2 tubes of this, so I thought to restock it up because heat, you know. This one I have not yet unpacked because I thought to use it on my hair someday, because in summer season I got some itchy scalp, so I am planning to use this on my scalp. So I'll let you know how it works on the scalp, because it is clear one, it is not the green, it is not the yellow one. So I really like to use it on my scalp to calm down the scalp, you know. So I'll update you after using it that how does it work. So talking about the skincare, let's talk about this Aztecs Indian Healing Clay, and it is natural, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay that I got. I have heard some good reviews about this product, and this is a really huge tub, if you can see. So I have already used this one. You can see that I have already used this one once or twice, I think, and it acts really nicely. So I am planning to make a video on this one, full detailed review of this product, so in which I will share you the pros and cons of this product. As far as my experience is concerned, I really like this product because it has some claims about pore tightening and pore refining thing. So I will update you on my review video about that. So yeah, this jar contains actually 454 grams of products, and it actually retails for 1440, and you get around 3 years of, you know, shelf life. I did not buy it at the full price. I got it around 860 or 870 something. So yeah, I got it from Nykaa on sale. So stay connected to watch the review on this one. So I think I have covered most of the skincare products. So for makeup, let's have a look what I got. So this is Lakme's Sun Expert. It has 40 SPF PA+++. So I already had this one, but I gave that one to my mom and she accidentally broke it. This is packed, actually it is mom's gift, so I do not want her to open it. She will unpack this one. So yeah, I got it around 200 something and it retails for 230. I initially got it in previous sales around 180, but this time it was not cheaper than that, so I got it around 200 only. The next thing is this foundation that I got. So I had been meaning to get this foundation since really long time, because I heard really nice reviews about this foundation from people, and the only thing I do not like about this foundation is the, you know, shade range. The shade range sucks in this range, because I was really wanted to match it 100% with my skin. I think it is a bit of light for me, because today's makeup I have done using this foundation only. Since I have bronzed really nicely, so you cannot tell, or maybe you can tell that there is some difference between my actual skin tone and the, you know, face and the shade of this foundation. Also, I think it oxidizes a bit. So considering that aspect, I thought I should go for golden beige. So I picked up the golden beige shade, and again it retails for $8.99, but I got it for 530 or something, 520, around 500. Okay, this one I have shown you in this makeup tutorial that I used today, this Wet n Wild's tapered blending brush. So these are the bristles, and it is really soft, and the brush is really long, so that it is really easy to hold from really far away. Also, it blends the eyeshadows really nicely. I really like the, you know, brush. Again, I already own some of the brushes from this range. Like this one is a contour brush that I use to clean contour and powder contour, basically my jawline mostly. So I was really impressed with the range of these brushes from Wet n Wild. So I thought to stock this one. So I got this one for I think 500 something, and it retails for 599, but I got it around 500 something. So it's okay because the brushes are really luxe, you know. I would not mind to pay 500 for one nice good eyeshadow blending brush. And this is actually a crease brush. So I use today to blend my crease. You will see in this makeup tutorial, so must watch it. You have seen me already using this NYX Powder Puff Lippy in my previous makeup tutorial, that summer makeup spring makeup look. And this one is in the shade Puppy Love, and this is really nice peachy coral shade. I'm going to show you a swatch of it. So see, this is the shade, and I really like coral and peachy shades, and I got it for free on my NYX foundation that I have bought. So this is the NYX foundation that I bought during the sale times, and it was actually, I bought this prior the sale, but it was again on sale. There were some offers going on NYX products, so I got these. And actually I paid for this one, and I got the lipstick free, and I paid for $9.75 something for NYX foundation Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I am in the shade beige. Yes, I am in the shade beige, and I have used this foundation in my previous tutorial, and this is a really nice foundation because it is not that matte, it is not that dewy, it has a really full coverage. It gives you a really full coverage look. Also, it will not emphasize your textures, and if you have really dark blemishes on your cheeks or on your face, it is going to cover it up thoroughly. So I really like this foundation. Some people like to compare this one with Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I would not compare this one with Maybelline Fit Me foundation because that one is matte and poreless. So after setting up, that foundation looks somewhat powdery, but this one gives you a really nice finish. It is really smooth, 100% full coverage. Also on Nykaa, NYX has really nice yellow undertone shades that I really like, because on Indian skin tone mostly they have yellow undertones. So I picked up the shade beige, and again about the oxidation part, I cannot comment really because it did not oxidize on me. And again, I thought if there are some foundations like the L'Oreal one, then I will mix it up so that I can get my actual shade.